Hey folks, I hope you all are doing good. I am Shubham Patel with my teammate Ayush and Pulkit, and this weekend we have built Lantern. We will light your mind with six mind sharing activities and lead you towards a bright side. So, what things do we provide? First, color game. A game which will trick your mind to keep your focus towards game and hence keeping your mind away from unhealthy thoughts. So my friend will show you how we have done that particular module. So first you have to log in with your username and password, and if you are not a user you can sign up for it. And after login there will be two options for services and about us. After clicking on services, so the first module is color game. So when I click on start, it will show colors with different background, and what I have to do is I don't have to say green, but what particular color has the background I have to say that thing, like green, gray, green, uh, blue, yellow, orange, red, gray. So as you can see I was enjoying it and I also missed some colors in between. So this was the game. It will distract my mind from unhealthy activities. Secondly, we have a smart mental health chatbot that is in the development stage as we are facing some last minute issues. Thirdly, we have journal entry which will be explained by Ayush.
Yeah, hi. In journal entry module, this is basically like a personal diary for all each of the user, where every users can just write down stuff that they did the whole day, like how their day went, etc. It's like a personal diary only. So then let's say, for example, this is titled Pulkit's Fun Weekend. Like, so what happened that day? That it was a great weekend. So so then this goes back into the database, and then each user can access all his journal entries here in the journal list. So like this Pulkit's Fun Weekend was the one that we just inserted in our database. So like you can see, this is just a personal diary where a person can write down his thoughts. And so again, then another module that we have is a music recommender. So what this does is basically this is a curated list of songs which are bound to make you happy in situations when you are sad or depressed. These songs can help you lift your spirits. So as you can see, these are the names of the songs, and when I click on it, it gets redirected to the Spotify browser where I can listen to that song. So for this, we have used Spotify API, and then there's another module called as relaxation page which Shubham will explain.
Yeah, so the journal entry, this is my favorite model of the component because it really feels good when you can write something on your journal and you can also view what you have written after some days of it, like what was your conditions few days before. So moving on to the next, which is the relaxation page. This page is specially for the meditation. Here you can come to meditate and you can set different timers like 10, 5 or 2 minutes and listen to the peaceful sound in the background. And this gives a realistic environment which can be very useful for your meditation. And I personally do this and feels good whenever I'm in this background listening to cheering voices of sparrow and water flowing. So this was the relaxation slash meditation page, and our next component is voice based Pacman page. So I'll be explaining what this particular module do. So as you can start up, right, up, down, left, down. So as you can see, this completely game works on my voice commands, and what I have to do is I just have to press one key. This module is specially designed for people with disabilities who cannot use their fingers properly, so they can just keep pressing this one button, and they can play this whole Pac-Man game just by their giving their voice commands. And in research studies, it's also found that games are a really good source of relieving stress. So I hope you have liked our all three modules of our presentation, and all six modules of our presentation, and you'll enjoy this pack of all six activities. Oh, and Pac-Man You'll enjoy all six activities. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Stay healthy.